When somebody's diagnosed with cancer, I don't think that's anything anybody really expects to hear. And it's difficult to hear. When my mom came to me to tell us about her diagnosis, I had worked in oncology for a couple of years, and I think maybe that's why she was hesitant to bring it to my attention. It was hard, but it's important for somebody that's been diagnosed with cancer to reach out to others for support, not just for themselves, but for their loved ones as well. That gives them a sense of being a part of their care team.
Cancer's affected my life in many ways, specifically through my family. Both my grandmothers passed away from cancer. We all are going to have tough times in our life, no matter what that looks like. And if you don't have that support system, it's really tough to battle through those things.
Working together as a team is imperative when there is a cancer diagnosis. It takes your oncologist, sometimes your radiologist, dietary, case management, physical therapy, speech therapy. I mean, the list goes on and on.
A team can be a lot of different things.
Being a part of the care team isn't just medical. It goes way beyond that.
It fits very easily with sports, right? You know, sometimes you're not going to have a great day. Other times you're going to be down, but you're going to look for your teammate to kind of pick you up. And when you see people thrive and get through these kind of situations, it's because they have energy givers around them. You want to be around those people that are giving you the energy to step forward.
Even the strongest person needs support. I mean, a hug goes a long way. And it's very important to reach out to your family, to your friends, to your supporters, to your church, whoever it is that you go to, because you're going to need it.
People seem to rally around people when they need them most. When my grandpa was really sick, my mom's dad, she was dealing with a lot going on there. And she had, my brother was in high school. And so some of the things that I was just blown away by was her friends and you know, in typical mom fashion, she did bunco, right? All her bunco friends bought all these casseroles and like brought food and did all these things, and like all the time we're willing to help, and we're picking up my brother from school and taking him to practice and I mean, it was like an army. At the end of the day, it's your team, it's your group that's gonna have to make or break the situation. We have to fight for each other, and that's when we start feeling good.